Hey guys, it's me Kazu. In this video I'll show you making Japanese food at home. Japanese people call Japanese sweets wagashi. Actually, it was the first time to make wagashi. We have made cookies and cakes at home, but never wagashi. We usually buy it at the store. Anyway, a store called Lawaku in Yamaguchi City has a convenient experience kits that you can order online and enjoy Japanese culture at home. I wanted my child to experience making Japanese sweets, so I searched for a store and happened to find it. Therefore, I would like to clarify I have no connection with the store. I'm very grateful to the store for allowing my son to enjoy it. Please refer to the channel page for more information on Lawaku. By the way, do you know what is the most important factor in determining the store of wagashi? So whether the taste is good or not determines whether the store will attract customers or not. I'll tell you the answer at the end. We can make 4 kinds of Japanese sweets with the kit. Please note that this is different from the way actual wagashi craftsmen make them. First, divide the white green paste into 4 pieces. Japanese people call green paste anko. Second, mix the dried powders with the white beans paste and knead. The red is from fruits, the yellow is pumpkin, the green is matcha, and the purple is purple sweet potato powder. The third is to France dough and fill it with red bean paste. Finally, make lines with a bamboo skewer. Actually, my son loves drawing and craft, so we enjoyed making Japanese sweets. When my wife tried to cook, he got angry and said, "I want to do it." By the way, the most important factor in the taste of Japanese sweet is the bean paste. It takes a long time to make and requires a lot of skill. Bean paste is made by boiling and pasting azuki beans, then adding sugar. Therefore, nowadays many wagashi shops outsource the production of bean paste to other companies. There are times when a skilled bean paste maker teaches a popular Japanese sweet shop how to make bean paste from scratch and labels the store. In Japan, there are wagashi shops in every region and we can buy wagashi at those stores, train stations, hotels, and department stores. Confections that contain fresh bean paste have a shelf life about a week, but most Japanese confections do not contain fresh bean paste and have a shelf life about a month. That's all. Please continue and watch the wagashi making. At the end of the video, I will give a preview of the next video. Next video is gonna be about Hinamatsuri Day that is held on March 3rd. I will explain in detail why it is a girls' festival. By the way, since our daughter was born last year, we bought dolls for the Hinamatsuri. Please look forward to watching. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe on my channel.